Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Teepublic account. First, navigate to the Teepublic homepage and click the Sign Up button. You can register using your email address or connect through a social media account like Facebook. After signing up, you will receive a verification email. Click the link inside to activate your artist account. Finally, you will create a unique store name and a corresponding URL slug for your shop, which will be its online address. Once your account is active, it's time to upload your first design. Click the Upload Art button, then simply drag and drop your high-resolution PNG file. Remember, your design needs a transparent background and should be at least 1,500 pixels wide by 1,995 pixels tall for optimal quality. Next, give your design a catchy title, a clear description, and add relevant tags to help customers find your amazing artwork. Now, let's make your storefront truly yours. Head to your account settings to customize your shop. Upload a clear logo, ensuring it is at least 320 by 320 pixels with a 1:1 aspect ratio. Also, add an engaging cover image, ideally 1,920 by 549 pixels. Don't forget to write a short, inviting bio, and link your social media accounts to help customers connect with you and your brand. The exciting part, getting paid. Teepublic processes earnings monthly, with payouts occurring on the 15th for all sales from the previous calendar month. You can choose to receive your payments via PayPal or Payoneer. It's crucial to accurately set up your preferred payment method in your account settings. Please note that Payoneer requires a minimum of $20 in accumulated earnings before a payout can be initiated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.